ready. You want to fight? So the crew is on the way up to Peachtree's camping area today. It's about 50 minutes outside of Jimna. We're all going to be camping overnight and doing some four-wheel driving tomorrow, weather permitting of course. It's a little bit overcast at the moment, so we may be in for some rain later. It may chop up the tracks up there a little bit too much for us to do too much in the way of four-wheel driving, so we'll have to play it by ear when we get up there. Peachtree's itself is actually very easy to get to. Sealed road probably up until about the last 5 kilometres, and then it's just a very nice level gravel road. You could drive a normal car in here quite easily. Overall, it's a really nice campsite. Toilets are well maintained. Nice place to get away to. It's about 2 hours and 10 minutes, I think, from Brisbane. So it's a fair drive, but an enjoyable drive nonetheless. Some great little paths through and around the campsite there as well. Be a great campsite for kids because there's a very short little walk down to the creek of about 5 metres, and you can pretty much swim in the creek right behind Peachtree's campsite. It's also a little scenic route that goes around the back of the creek as well, so the kids would enjoy that. A bit of rain up here, so as you can see the creek's flowing really nicely. Yep.